So, as we move toward wrapping up this year and moving into the new year, we wanted to talk a little bit about the trends in manufacturing for 2025. I think it's no surprise, and usually true of any New Year discussion, the idea of new or advanced technology, particularly in our case, robotics, is part of the trends being seen as we move forward. What I find interesting is that the benefits envisioned in manufacturing from a lot of the talk of this advanced technology this year includes reduced waste, sleeker, more efficient processes that lead to greater return on investment and naturally profits, which are all things the quality industry has been advocating for decades. With process improvement and process control methods, such as lean manufacturing and the like.
For sure. And from what I've talked to with other people, they say robots are especially needed at plants that can't recruit enough staff. So that's what makes them, decide to use robotics. And so skilled workforce issues are continually a problem in manufacturing. Grace Duffy, one of our longtime writers for quality, recently sent me some information she found from the World Economic Forum and their Future of Jobs report. So the report found that by 2025, a net 12 million new job roles will be created to accommodate the new division of labor between humans and machines. And it said even for people who aren't changing roles, 40% of core skills will change, and 50% of all employees will need reskilling. So that's kind of a daunting number, but something to be aware of.
It is indeed, but it is indeed something to be conscious of. We've talked about artificial intelligence quite extensively, as has the rest of the world in general. I actually happened to be watching CNBC not too long ago, and we're reaching that point where everyone is expecting, anticipating, and looking for that return on investment. We talked a great deal about how many are adopting the wait and see mentality of implementing AI sort of in manufacturing. But we have gotten to that point, almost kind of like an inflection point, where even the investors in the technology itself are beginning to look for that payoff.
For sure. So artificial intelligence, we've definitely seen creeping into more and more areas. Quality professionals, I've heard, are definitely trying out new projects with ChatGPT and others, and just testing it with writing calibration reports or other things. But it remains to be seen exactly how it will be adopted industry-wide. But people are definitely looking at it and kind of keeping an eye on it.
And another interesting thing to keep our eye on is standards. As we move into the new year, they're already working on the update to ISO 9001.
Yeah, so originally it was slated for 2025, but we've heard rumors that it might be, fall 2025 and then even pushed into early 2026. So something to keep an eye on and definitely be aware of.